Hi there, beautiful couples! First of all, congratulations on your engagement. This is such an exciting time, and I want to take a moment to appreciate this incredible milestone in your life. Whether you've been dreaming about this day since childhood, or it caught you completely by surprise, you're here at the start of your wedding journey. But let's be real, along with all the excitement, there is probably a little voice in your head saying, "Where do I even start?" Trust me, you are not alone. A wedding is one of the biggest events you'll ever plan, and with so many choices out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's exactly why I created this channel, to help you navigate the wedding world with confidence and clarity. In this video, I'll walk you through the key steps of wedding planning, share some wisdom to make the process more fun and less stressful, and point you towards videos on my channel that will help you make important decisions along the way. So, let's start with this. It's completely normal to feel a mix of emotions right now. Excited, overjoyed, nervous, overwhelmed, maybe all of the above. That's okay. You might already be getting a ton of advice from friends and family, scrolling through Pinterest boards at 2 a.m. or getting bombarded with ads for wedding venues and dresses. With all these choices, it's easy to feel pressured to have everything figured out instantly. But here's my first piece of advice. Take a deep breath. You don't have to decide everything today. Before you start booking vendors or picking colors, I encourage you to take some time to simply enjoy this moment with your fiancé. Celebrate your engagement. Dream a little. Talk about what kind of wedding truly feels right for both of you. And remember, planning a wedding is not just about the big day. It's a journey. And if you approach it the right way, it can be an incredibly fun and meaningful experience. Here's a little secret. Wedding planning doesn't have to be stressful. Yes, there will be decisions to make, but if you shift your mindset, it can actually be one of the most fun and exciting times of your life. Instead of treating planning as a giant to-do list, turn it into something special. Make it an adventure. For example, turn decisions into dates. Go on a venue tour and then grab a dinner at a place nearby. Make it a bonding experience. Invite friends or family to go dress shopping or cake tasting with you. Celebrate milestones. Each time you book a major vendor, celebrate with a toast or a mini date night. In my video Wedding Planning Tips Every Bride Needs to Know, I share even more ways to make this process enjoyable rather than overwhelming, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. Now you might be wondering, how do you actually start planning your wedding? That's where I come in. My channel is designed to guide you through every stage of this journey, helping you make informed, stress-free decisions. I'll link some useful videos in the description that are perfect to watch at the very beginning of your planning journey. If we talk about the first steps, these are the foundation of your wedding, and getting them right will make everything else easier. First of all, envision your dream wedding. Do you want a big, glamorous event, a cozy destination wedding, a modern city celebration? Sit down with your fiancé and talk about what truly matters to you both. Second, set your budget. Figure out how much you can realistically spend for your dream wedding. In my upcoming video, I'll break down wedding budgets in detail, so stay tuned. Third point, choose a date and season. The time of year affects venue pricing, availability, and even your wedding style. Then, find your venue. Your venue sets the tone for your entire wedding. In my top 10 questions to ask while selecting a wedding venue video, I share tips on what to consider before booking. Build your guest list. Start drafting your guest list early. This will help you choose the right venue and budget accordingly. Start researching vendors. From photographers to florists, great vendors book up fast, so start reaching out early. If you want a more detailed breakdown of these steps, I highly recommend checking out my video How to Plan the Wedding of Your Dreams, where I go into each step in more detail. So, there you have it! Your starting guide to wedding planning. I hope this video gave you some clarity and inspiration to begin your journey with confidence. Remember, this is your wedding. It should reflect your love, your personality and your vision. There is no right or wrong way to do it, only what feels perfect to you. And most importantly, you are not alone. I'm here to help, and my channel is packed with resources to guide you through each step of the process. So, if you're just getting started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Also, let me know in the comments what the biggest challenge you are facing right now in wedding planning. I'd love to hear from you and help however I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Happy planning!